How about this one, Leah? Leah.
Oh, I'm busy eating. Don't bother me. How about this one? Wow, you're good. You're good at making that noise, Leah. She's pushing.
Leah.
She's pushing. You're pushing her leg.
Make another noise.
La da la da la da la da. Now let's do tongue out. Look. Now let's do close eyes. Shut your eyes. Close eyes. You close eyes. That's your tricks. We expect you to learn some new tricks by the time we see you the next time. You better learn some new tricks. That's a good trick.
How about touchdown?
Touchdown.
Touchdown.
Touchdown. Touchdown.
She wants you to do it.
Touchdown. Wow, look at how tall. Look at how high those arms go. Wow. I would say probably it's going to be another 4 or 5 years till you're that tall.
Touchdown.
You know, maybe 4 or 5 years. Till you're that tall. Touchdown.
Touchdown.
Okay. Be right back.